What's going on, guys? In today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can do a tiny planet effect or a fisheye effect within Blender. Let's get started. Okay, so the first things first, you're going to need to be within cycles. So once you're in cycles, click onto your camera and go down here to your camera properties. Change the type from perspective to panoramic. By default it's going to be this one here. We're going to change it to fisheye equi-solid. So once you do that, we're going to increase the field of view all the way to 360 degrees. If it doesn't fill your whole frame, then increase the focal distance of the lens so it covers your whole frame. Or in fact, if you want it to look like this, you can, but me personally, I'm going to increase the field of view. Bam. Just like that, you've got your fisheye effect. If I move my camera closer towards my subject, that's crazy. You can have this kind of super fisheye effect. And it actually works pretty well. Okay, now for the tiny planet effect, what you're going to need to do essentially is grab the camera, put it all the way up and tilt it to the floor. Bang. And just like that, you didn't even have to change many things or anything at all, and you've got your tiny planet effect. The reason why this works so well is because it affects your HDRI as well. You can see the HDRI is bent towards it, so it kind of blends in together and looks pretty good. Again, if you're not happy with it, change maybe the field of view, your focal distance, you name it, just to get the desired effect that you want. But yeah, guys, simple as that. If you end up doing a render with this, then tag me on Instagram. I'd love to see it. If you found the video super helpful, useful, share, subscribe, comment, like. Anyway, guys,